Safety on site is a joint effort. It's never a single solitary person. It's everybody works together to achieve one aim, and that one aim is for you to go home. That's all it's got to be. The more that you think about safety, the more that you apply safety, the more likelihood it is that you're going to stop and ask questions if there's a doubt, and you get to go home. So starting from the principal contractor on site to the subcontractor to the employee, they all have various roles. They all got different aspects that they need to think of. But at the end of it, it's all about, can you go home? Can you go home safely? So whether it be working in and around electricity, whether it be working at heights, whatever it is that you're going to do, if there is any doubt at all, if you think, hey, this doesn't look right, doesn't feel right, it doesn't smell right, then ask questions. Stop, have somebody look at it, and then when you're satisfied, get them to show you, yes, this is right, then you can proceed. Because it's the people that don't stop and ask questions are quite often the ones that get hurt, because they aren't considering their own safety.